Oh, sound like a frog. Hello there, user gamers. Can I call you user gamers? I've got some news on the eNet tutorial series and what's coming up next. Before we start, I just wanted to let you all know that I appreciate the nice comments you've been leaving. It's really made my day at several different occasions. And for this reason, I thank you with all my heart. Now, first, I want to announce that the second part of the eNet tutorial, parts 1 and 2, yes, it's all very confusing, is now available at usergames.net. The link will be in the description below. So we still have the first part here. It has the associated video at the top. It has a mixture of code and important notes and normal notes that you should note. And there's the second part here with both of the associated videos at the top, followed by some more code and explanations that I hope are clear. I sort of gave up near the end of writing this, where I just pretty much gave you the entire server code, because I figured that if you understand the first half, you should probably be able to understand the second half, and it's definitely not because I'm lazy and it took hours to write. And there's part 3 that is still in development. We'll be making a complete, simple multiplayer game, really showing everything that we've been learning thus far and putting it into a single project. It should be loads of fun. Afterwards, there might be an advanced eNet tutorial series, but that may be in the distant future. Reason being, on top of making these tutorials, and I've been writing the tutorials in this text manner as well, I've also been working on this website as a whole, right? The usergames.net website. It's not done yet. It's still in development. There's some missing systems and some missing content, but the whole thing should be done in about 128 days. Well, it should be an alpha. I wouldn't say done, but you know, it should be working. For now, it's been pretty hush-hush aside from the tutorial segments, since that's related to the videos. But it's this whole new idea we're trying. No idea if it's gonna work, but it's worth a shot. And I've also been working on a fan game in my own game engine. It's a fan game of Televoid. I've been making it with a few other fans as well. I started alone, but a lot of people have joined in and has helped making art and writing stories, and it's a lot of fun. And the game's going to be awesome, and it's also going to be done in about 128 days because we've been working on it for 2 years, and it's mostly my fault because I kept rewriting the engine code because I was stubborn and wanted to write it in my own game engine, but it was worth it because I learned a lot. Nonetheless, it's looking pretty good. Has a little page here, has a trailer on my YouTube channel. Could probably put a link at the end of this video if you want to check it out. Which brings me to my last point. Last but not least, I have my own personal YouTube channel. Yes, it's filled with very random amounts of things, animations, French programming tutorials, and devlogs, but I'm making a switch. I want the videos to be a little more technical. I want to be focused on the devlogs and tutorials. Though User Games will still have tutorials as well, I'm reserving the more high budget, well, we don't really have a budget, but the bigger projects, bigger tutorials will all be on the User Games YouTube channel, while things I make on my own time will be on my own YouTube channel. Things like the C tutorial, learning C and stuff, small bite-sized videos can go on my channel, but bigger, like learning multiplayer systems, and trailers as well, will probably be on the User Games YouTube channel. And well, that's all I have to say for now. You can tell me what you think. Part 3 is going to take a little while to make for the eNet tutorial series, because, I mean, I have to make an entire game, but it's going to be worth it if you can be a little patient. I promise it won't take 2 years. And if you feel like it, you can check out the website, you can check out my YouTube channel, you can tell me what you think, and I hope you have a nice day. You've been leaving kind words to me. I'll try to leave kind words right back at you. I reply to every comment, so you can do that if you feel like it. Alright, so goodbye. See you in the near future.